Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Absolutely, in this video, I'm talking about the Shiba token, and this time the Shiba is completely gone wrong. But my friends, I have a surprise news for all Shiba holders. So never miss this video. You will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watching and never miss, my friends. But please, first of all, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about Shiba and about the cryptocurrencies market. So never miss updates and click the subscribe button now. My friends, first of all, we look the latest price update of the Shiba, and after that we talk about the surprise news. At this time, the latest price and live price of the Shiba in this time in the market is 0.00007 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Shiba. The price is very low. This means that the price is completely going down and the price falls or start now in the market. My friends, the whole price change is negative. Not only the 1 hour, not only the 1 day, the whole change is last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week. The price change is negative. Oh my god, that's a bad news for Shiba holders. Let's see the price chart. My friends, that is the last 3 days price chart, and from the previous last 2 days, the price of the Shiba Inu is completely falls down. But I have surprise news for all of you, my friends. Shiba will surprise you. Shiba coin want to surprise every holders of Shiba. You know what, my friends? That is the common rules. That is the common principle of cryptocurrencies market. That after a falls, there is a jump, and the Shiba Inu price is also falls down from the previous last 2 days. And tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow there is a lot of chances to the price will pump, and if the price will pump, so absolutely you will get a profit. So tomorrow is the chances. Get ready for it tomorrow. And what you think about the Shiba, tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.